Facebook did over $15 billion in ad sales last year. That is a lot of companies selling a lot of stuff on that platform. So if you want a piece of that pie, stay tuned because we are talking about Facebook ad copy that sells. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you can get notified every time we release new content. I'm Amy Walker, Client Acquisition Specialist, and my job is to help you find the simplest path to consistently finding your dream clients. Are you looking to increase sales in Facebook? If so, leave me a comment and let me know. I get the Facebook frustration. I mean, even setting aside like all of the politics and the fighting and the drama and the privacy issues, let's let those go for a minute and just focus in on business. We're getting really low engagement and visibility on all of the posts on our business pages. Ad prices have gone up significantly in the last few years. The competition is fiercer than ever. A lot of us are posting and we're just not seeing a ton of results coming from the posts. So my friends, if you want to get better results on Facebook, it's pretty simple. You have to have better copywriting. So today we're going to split this up into 3 categories. One, if you're selling a physical product, what does that copy look like for your ads? Another, if you're selling an info product or a service and what that will look like for your ads. And then we're going to talk about organic content and how you can use that to increase sales as well. First, let's talk about a physical product. If you're selling a physical product, like you've got a swimsuit that you're selling, or you've got some home gadget tool type thing, you can tell I don't really fix things often because I don't even know their names.
Look at this. Wow, this is special. This is very, very unusual.
What? What is it?
It's a dingle hopper.
But if you're selling a physical product, here's some things that you want to make sure you're doing with your ad copy. Number 1, price transparency. People they don't want to have to click in and see how much it is. They want to see what that price is right on the ad itself. Next, they want really simple, clear language. Short, succinct, to the point. They want an image that matches the ad. So if you're selling a product, they want to see a picture of it, they want to see an example of it, they want to see someone using it, and they want it to actually match the ad. No cute puppies when you're selling sweaters. You want a really strong call to action. And if you need some tips on learning how to write better calls to action, check out our video on copywriting from A to Z, the complete guide for copywriting for beginners. Make sure that you're only offering one thing within your ad and create completely different ads for your different target audiences. If you're gonna run an ad for women that are between the ages of 55 and 65, and then you're gonna run another ad that's for women between 35 and 55, you can use different images. So you could use an older woman using your product, and you could use a younger woman using your product. You could speak specifically to their pain points. We don't want to create one image and one ad set copy and try to send it to a bunch of people. We want to be really targeted as we're positioning our offer. Now let's talk about how to successfully market your info product or your service. When it comes to services and info products, long form content performs really well. Whether that's long form written or it's video, they tend to work really well to sell an info product or a service. So when we're structuring that content, here's what that would look like. We're gonna start off with a really great hook. Again, if you're not sure how to write a great hook, that video that I mentioned earlier is gonna also have templates in there for how to write great hooks. Then we're gonna focus on their pain points and what outcomes and objectives that they want in their life that your service or your product can bring them. We're gonna introduce our solution and tell them a little bit about how we work with our clients, how we can help them, what's included, but we're not going to over-inform. A lot of you want to make that the whole post. It's really a little section there. And then we're going to offer some credibility either through our own experiences and results or even better, client testimonials. Now, this format works really well in video. But you can also modify it and use this in a written form as well. Obviously, a video gets in a lot more words and a lot more content than you can in a long form post. But if you stay tuned and keep watching, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about organic content and give you even more strategies for your long form written posts. Are you getting some good stuff so far? If so, I would love for you to hit the like button and let me know that you're loving the content we're producing. Okay, organic content. I really think you should be having a strong organic content strategy and then proving your sales system. And once you know that your sales system works, that's when you start really focusing on paid advertising. I've seen far too many people just jump into paid ads before they've even proven the sales system. So I love organic content because if you can do this well organically and you can get clients, then you know that the ads are going to work because your organic is already working. So this is a great place to spend some time and effort. Frank Kern recommends that you create 3 pillars. So 3 different areas that you create your organic content around. I think this is a great strategy to use. So if you look at Amy Walker Consulting on any platform, you're going to find that our content always fits into these 3 categories. Number 1, client acquisition, which is going to be marketing and sales. Number 2, leadership, which is going to be like your team building and hiring and things like that. And number 3 is going to be balancing business and family. So you're not going to see me talking about other things like how to have amazing curly hairstyles, even though I'm kind of obsessed with curly hair video tutorials on YouTube. You're not going to see me making them because it doesn't fit into my 3 pillars. So it will keep you from creating random stuff that people will go, what is that about? That's not who they are. I thought that they were this. It will really keep you on track with planning what to talk about. Next, there's 4 different types of posts that I recommend that you have. First, I want you to have posts that are sharing client results or clients engaging with your product or your service. Your future clients want to see your current clients being happy and satisfied. The second type of post is a behind the brand post. So this is your life, this is your story, this is opening up the doors to the office, letting them get to know the team members and the people that are really behind the brand. We like transparency these days. We like to know the businesses that we're working with are in alignment with our values. We like to see behind the curtain. And so make an effort to put some of that content out there. The next type of post is a thought leadership post. This is where you're showing that you're an innovator, you're a big thinker, you are creating the trends, you're leading the discussions and the conversations. And then the 4th type of post is a sales post. The whole purpose of that post is to get them to take action and convert. When you mix all of these in together and you focus them within your 3 pillars, you're going to have a strong plan for creating organic content. But now let's talk about the things that you need to have inside of each one of these posts. Every single post should have a hook, should have engaging content, and should have a strong call to action. Whether that call to action is just like and comment, or that call to action is join our Facebook group, or join our email list, or download our free thing, or buy this. Every single post that you do should have a call to action on it. So let's wrap this all up and bring it together. Facebook has gotten very competitive and there's so much marketing messaging out there that in order to stand out and capture your client's attention, you have to actually, imagine this, do a good job. So gone are the days where you can just post junk and repurpose other people's stuff and really get Facebook to work for you. You've got to create organic content that comes from you, not repurposed. You've got to have strong copywriting. You've got to have clear calls to action. And if you'll do that, you can acquire clients through Facebook, either organically or paid. If you would like some more help and support on your sales and marketing system, I invite you to come and take our Sales and Marketing Scorecard. I know I mention this often in videos because it honestly is such an amazing tool for your business. You're going to be able to get clarity around what's not working in your sales and marketing system. in your strategy, in your copy, in your sales scripting. It's just a really comprehensive look into the sales and marketing in your business. And then we give you the improvement plan. It's like 8 pages of really detailed information on what you should be doing to create consistent sales. All right, my Facebook copywriting gurus, we are wrapping it up for today. Thank you so much for watching. I would love for you to subscribe and stay plugged in with the channel. And if you want to join the community, head on over to our private Facebook group, Acquire. It's a great place to get connected, ask questions, and meet other like-minded entrepreneurs. Happy Facebook writing, my friends.